You're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Digistore24 for affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Digistore24 is one of the most popular affiliate marketing platforms around, as you'll be able to quickly sign up on it, and then from there you'll be able to explore numerous products that you can promote and make a good earning online. The first thing you will need to do once on Digistore24, you're going to tap on Start Now. It's free to sign up. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page and you can tap on Start Now. And then from there, you can sign up using your email address and you can fill in your password that you'd like to use and so on. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page and you can see congratulations, you are now registered with Digistore24. After you're registered, you'll be redirected to this page and from here you can change the view, so automatically it is going to go onto vendor view. To change it, you'll simply tap on view in the top left hand corner and you're going to change it to affiliate view. After you have changed it to affiliate view, this is how it looks at the moment, and you're going to tap on marketplace in the top right hand corner. After tapping on marketplace, you'll be able to explore all of the products on Digistore24. So you could either tap on the search bar right here and you could search for a particular product, or you could go over to the left hand menu option and you can explore the different categories. So you have digital products, you have events and seminars, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, we were to select sales training. You can see right here the different events and seminars that are about to happen, and you can see the price right here, your net earning. You can also tap on the sales page right here to view a particular sales page, so you can see how it looks right there. And you can also go back, so let me go back real quick, and you can scroll down and you can view other products. And also you can see the different digital products categories that you can explore. So for example, let's say we were to go into business and investment. So I'm going to tap on that. After selecting business and investment, you can see the different products that they recommend right there. Now we are going to simply close this. So I'm going to remove that filter and I'm going to select email marketing, for example. After selecting email marketing, you can see the different products. So let's say, for example, you would like to promote this product. All you will need to do is tap on promote now. After you have tapped on promote now, from here you could tap on copy promo link. So you could tap right there on copy promo link and you could copy the link. Once you have copied the link, you will now need to go onto Pinterest. And if you haven't already, I would recommend that you create a Pinterest business account. Once you have created your Pinterest business account, you'll be able to view your monthly visitors. So you'll be able to see how much views they have gotten, and you'll get numerous analytic features, and you'll also be able to add your website URL. As I do not recommend that you link directly back to the product on Digistore24. Instead, I recommend that you create a website. And I will also be showing you how to create this website for completely free. So once on Pinterest, you can simply tap on your profile right here. And you're going to set up your cover image and your profile pic. A good platform to create these on is Canva. And you can use Canva for completely free. All you'll need to do is sign up using your email address. You can also use Canva to create Pinterest pins. So you could tap on the search bar right here and type in Pinterest pin. Then you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down and you can explore the different templates. Keep in mind that the templates that has the pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber to use that particular template. But there are numerous templates that you can choose from, as you can see right here. All you'll need to do is simply select the template that you would like to use. So whether you're going into the home and decor niche or into a health niche, whatever niche you're going in, you'll be able to find a template that you can quickly customize to your liking and use. So let's say for example's sake, I would like to use this template. Then from there, you're going to tap on customize. After you have tapped on customize, from here you can add your own personal touches. So you could change the image, you can also change the text, and you could also add your website URL. And talking about websites, the platform that I would recommend you create your website on for completely free is none other than Google Sites. So all you'll need to do is type in sites.google.com. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you could tap on blank site. After you have tapped on blank site, you'll now be able to create your website. So you can add in your website title right here, and then you'll be able to start adding content by going over to the right hand menu option. You can add the content block. So for example, I could tap on that and add this content block. And then for example, I'm going to be putting the pin image right here, and I'm going to add some content. So we're going to go back onto Canva, and I'm going to simply delete that section since I haven't created the website as yet. I'm going to tap on share, then tap on download, then tap on download once more. After you have done that, all you'll need to do is go into Google Sites, tap on the plus right here, and we're going to be tapping on upload, and we're going to be adding our pin as the image right there. After you have done that, you can adjust how it looks, so you can simply pull it down right here, so they'll be able to get a better view of the pin. Then you'll be able to add text about the product that you're promoting. And then you'll also be able to add a call to action link. So you can either, for example, if you were to type out text right here, you could tap on the link icon. And then from there, you can add in the link that you had gotten from DIGISTORE24. So once someone taps on that link, they'll be redirected to your offer. Or you could make the image clickable by simply selecting the image, then tap on the link icon right there, and you could paste in the link. Then you could tap on apply. So now once someone clicks on the image, they'll be redirected to the offer. And one of the main reasons why Pinterest is so popular as an organic traffic source is, as you can see right here, I went onto SimilarWeb, and each SimilarWeb is a platform that you can use to view the analytics or the estimated analytics of a website. You can see that Pinterest is getting over 1 billion monthly visitors, and you can see that most persons are staying on Pinterest for at least 5 minutes. And majority of their viewers, as you can see right here, if we were to scroll down, is coming from the United States. So majority of their viewers are coming from tier 1 countries. And you can also see how Pinterest lines up compared to other social media platforms. So while Pinterest is getting 1.2 billion monthly views, you can see that Twitter is getting 5.8 billion, and also Instagram is getting 6.6 billion, and Facebook is getting 15.3 billion. But the thing that I like about Pinterest is, with Pinterest compared to, for example, Facebook or Instagram, with Pinterest, persons go onto Pinterest and they will type in a search query. This is why Pinterest is popular for affiliate marketing. For example, if I were to go onto my home feed, once on your home feed, you could simply tap on the search icon right here. And let's say, for example, the product that I'm promoting is a finance product. So more than likely, I would like to learn how to make money online. So for example, you'll type in how to make money online, and you will see numerous recommendations. So you can see right here, how to make money online, how to make money from home, how to make money as a teenager. So let's say, for example, I were to select how to make money from home, and we can select whichever one of these pins as an example. And you can see some example pin templates that you can also use and create on Canva. So let's say we were to select this one. You can see that this person has over 100,000 followers. And if we were to go onto their Pinterest page, you can see that they're getting over 10 million monthly views. And that is the reason why I said a lot of persons like Pinterest. With Pinterest, you'll be able to get a lot of organic traffic by simply labeling your pins correctly. As you can see right here, all this person is doing is posting regular pins, and they simply add their website URL right there, and they are getting a lot of traffic, as you can see right here. And they simply redirect persons to their website. Now, if we were to simply copy their website URL, for example, and go onto similar web, and let's say we were to do some analytics research, so we'll simply type it in right there. Let us see how much of that traffic is converting. So you can see right here. So let's scroll down. You can see that they are getting monthly visits estimated to be in the region of 360,000. And you can also scroll down and let us see where majority of their traffic is coming from. So we can scroll down. You can see that majority of their visitors are from the United States, the United Kingdom, or Canada. And by scrolling down, you can also see the gender, and you can also see the age that most persons are visiting them from. And scrolling down, we'll be able to see if majority of their traffic is organic or if it is coming from social media platforms. You can see that majority is organic, but you can also see that they have a large amount that is coming from social media, 9.65% to be exact. And by scrolling down also, you will be able to view the social media platform that they are getting majority of their traffic from. And you can see that 79% of their social media traffic is coming from Pinterest. So yes, Pinterest traffic converts, as you can clearly see right here. So you can see that you can use Pinterest to promote your Digistore 24 offer, and you will be able to convert the traffic and hopefully get some sales. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.